it's time for us to do a snowy craft activity where we can all make our own snowflakes. All you will need for this craft is one sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. If you aren't confident using the scissors, make sure you have an adult there to help you. Take one of the top corners and fold it down so the two long sides are in line with each other. You can now cut along this line, leaving you with a folded triangle. We now want to fold our triangle 2 more times down the middle. We can now begin to carefully use our scissors to cut out shapes on each side. Make sure to leave a space between each shape that you cut. If you need to use your fingers to pull out any of these shapes, make sure you pop down the scissors first. Once you are happy with all the shapes you have cut out, you can begin to slowly unfold your triangle, showing your own unique snowflake. If you have coloured paper, you could also make some really bright snowflakes. Once they're made, you could hang them with string or sellotape, or even blue tack them to the windows like I have here. We would love to see any of your wonderful snowflakes. Thank you so much for watching.